Okay, today we are talking about ceramic infrared radiant heaters. So here's what they look like. They're largely for commercial and industrial applications. They're available to operate on propane or natural gas. They can operate on different voltages. They don't require direct exhaust venting out the roof or the side of the building. However, they do require indirect venting. So there needs to be enough air exchange in the building to get rid of those combustion exhaust gases. But always check with your local authority having jurisdiction. You can see the capacities. They're compact, quiet, simple, virtually maintenance free. So they're great for aircraft hangars, industrial facilities, sports arenas, maintenance shops, loading docks, warehouses, automotive shops, etc. Depending on the size of the unit you buy, they range in price from a few $100s to maybe a couple $1,000s. So let's take a look at this 3D model of a ceramic infrared heater. You have your conduit coming into a J-box, got a step-down transformer, your ignition control module. See the gas train here on the bottom right corner. Got your gas shutoff valve, your sediment trap, your gas valve. You usually have mounting brackets. Some of these can be mounted at an angle. You can see illustrated in red the ceramic tiles themselves. There's also a spark igniter and a flame sensing rod on the unit, on this unit in the bottom left-hand corner there. So these can operate, again, on 120 volts. Step-down transformer steps it down to 24 volts. Ideally, manifold pressure is 6 inches water column for natural gas, 10 inches for propane. But again, always refer to your owner's manual on the unit that you purchase for proper gas supply pressure. Yeah, always install it in compliance with local codes, the National Fuel Gas Code. Maintain correct clearance away from combustibles. You obviously don't want to set anything on fire or melt or burn anything. And the installation instructions will tell you what those clearances are around the unit. And for unvented heaters, we want to maintain a natural mechanical means of fresh air and exhaust air, 4 CFM per 1,000 BTU per hour. I hope this information helps you. And now, if you have a team of facilities maintenance professionals, I'd like to tell you about a facilities maintenance handbook, now available on Amazon.com. The link is in the video description below. You can buy it as an ebook or in paperback format. I'll quickly flip through the pages here for you. It has reference material, shop equipment drawings, tells you about the HVAC refrigerant circuit, how a furnace works, has a few wiring diagrams, wiring symbols, and more. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.